Hello everyone, this is enhancement 8 and this week we're supposed to create the following pages for the site. We used functions to create it instead of just writing it up. So we had the activity this week and we completed the build products display. And so I created the next function and let's see if it works. So I haven't signed in, but it's okay. When you click on the link, it will create this products from all the database we already had. The view we're using right now is the product detail, and as you can see there's nothing there, just the display, the message if we have message, and the name of the product. Okay, so if we click in the next link, it will let us see all the information about, let's see, this motor and the enhancement. Let me show you here. It says the image, the name and price, the description, and all product items must be displayed. So let's see. Here is the name and the price are bigger. We have the vendor, the place where it's sale, the style, the size, the weight, and the description. Now let's see if that's true. Let's see. So we have the name, the description, the image. We're not using the thumbnail, the price, stock, size, weight, location. I didn't use the ID, but there's the style and the vendor too. Style, vendor, location, the price, the stock, the image. Now let's see, we have everything. I also added this button so you can actually use it later. Let's see. Well, it changes. Yeah, it worked. So let's see. Okay, so as you can see, it works and it's 3D. At least to me it's really pretty. And thank you for watching. This is enhancement 8 and I believe I completed it. So thank you for watching.